Are you ready to crochet projects that grow fast? In today's class, you'll learn the double crochet stitch. The stitch used in scarves, blankets, coasters, sweaters, beanies, shawls, and most beginner patterns. By the end of this lesson, you'll know one of the most used stitches in crochet. So far you've learned in previous classes: lip knot, chain stitch, a single crochet, half double crochet. You can watch those classes on my channel. Today we learn the tallest beginner stitch. Double crochet. Abbreviation you'll see in patterns. DC. Double crochet creates fabric that is taller, softer, stretchier, works up very fast. This stitch is perfect for scarves, blankets, cardigans, and shawls. This fabric is of 4 rows of double crochet. This fabric is of 8 rows of single crochet stitch. You can clearly see the difference in height. For the foundation chain, make a slip knot. For slow and detailed explanation, you can watch previous classes on my channel. Now chain 23 stitches. Why 23? 'Cause we will skip 3 chains for height. This is 20 chain stitches. For row 1, add 3 chain stitches for the height. Total 23 chain stitches. Now skip 3 chains for height. This stitch begins the same way as half double crochet. Yarn over. Wrap yarn over the hook 1 time. Skip the first 3 chains from the hook. Insert your hook into the 4th chain. This gives the stitch its height. Yarn over and pull through the chain stitch. You now have 3 loops on the hook. Now we finish in 2 steps. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 2 loops left. Yarn over again, pull through last 2 loops. You just made your first double crochet stitch. Repeat the double crochet stitch in each chain across. You'll feel how fast the row grows now. When you reach the end, count your stitches. Say it with me. Yarn over. Insert. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. This rhythm is everything. Repeat in each chain across. This is the last chain stitch of row 1. Now at the end of row 1, count your stitches. Total 20 double crochet stitches. Now we can make as many rows as we want on this. For row 2, chain 3. This is your turning chain. Then turn your work. This chain acts as the first stitch of the new row. That is row 2. Insert hook into the stitch, not the turning chain. Repeat double crochet across the row 1. Watch your fabric grow taller and softer. Compared to previous stitches. Single crochet dense. Half double crochet balanced. Double crochet airy and fast. You now have control over fabric texture. Here at the end of each row is somewhat confusing. Most beginners make mistakes. They don't count the stitches. You must have total 20 stitches. Total 20 stitches. This is the end of row 2. For the next rows, just repeat the row 2. Beginner mistakes. Skipping wrong number of chains. Pulling through all loops at once. Forgetting turning chain. A missing last stitch of row. These mistakes are totally normal, just keep practicing. You now know 4 core crochet stitches. How to crochet chain stitch. How to make single crochet stitch. How to make half double crochet stitch. And how to make double crochet stitch. In the next lesson we learn how to crochet in circles. That is magic ring, magic loop or magic circles, whatever you named it. So we can make coasters. And many other beautiful projects. Comment, ready for the magic ring, if you're continuing the course. Like and subscribe for more crochet classes and beginner tutorials. You have made 4 rows of double crochet stitch. You are now ready for real beginner projects. See the height difference. On the upper fabric, 4 rows of double crochet. Below is 8 rows of single crochet stitch fabric. If you want to complete at this stage, just make 1 chain and cut the yarn. And also gently tighten the yarn. Share and subscribe. Happy crocheting!